Hey y'all, I'm back with another video. I just washed and conditioned my hair. I mean, I was on live, just like not even long, just the brush out my hair, you know, or whatever, while it was conditioning. So I combed it out and everything. So let's do this. Let's open this together. I think it's called the hair blower. I don't know, hairbrush dryer or something like that. Y'all can't see my address or anything like that. But yeah, I'm super excited. I haven't had my hair blown out or pressed out 4 years ago. And that was like when I graduated high school. And yeah, I don't know if I should trim my ends too or what. But yeah, I'm finna test it out. I'm so excited. It came in the mail earlier this week. I'm just now opening it. I got it. Okay, y'all. I did order the pink one. Hopefully, I got the pink one. Okay. Let's see. Excited, like I don't know, like I think my hair is dry enough for it to work. But this all it came with. This is the box. Let's see, tangle free swivel cord, lightweight design for comfort and ease. Detangle bristles, dries and smooth hair quickly. Okay, so it do dry the hair. So good, because my hair is not damp, like it's dripping wet, but it's damp. 3 heat setting for complete drying and styling flexibility. Large paddle design. And I did get the pink one. Okay, that was the bottle looks like. Okay, whatever. Now let's see what the actual thing is talking about. Okay, so it came in like a little manual. Alright, it came packaged. Hold on, before I do that, let's do this. Okay, I just want to do that. Oh my gosh. Okay, it's grippable. It got a little thing right here, I guess, to something, I guess, but it got a nice grip. At the bottom, it's just like a hair dryer, and it comes with a cord or whatever. So let's undo this real quick. Okay. I might do a part 2 because only 10 minutes. But yeah. Okay. I'm so excited. Okay, it got off. Let me see how to. Okay, so you turn it. You can turn it. Okay. So you got the high, low, cool, and off. I'm gonna do the high. Yeah, I'm gonna do high. Oh my god. Okay, so I'm finna section my hair out real quick. I'm gonna section my hair out, and then I'm gonna do one side, then I'm gonna get on live to do the other side, and then I'm gonna get off live and come back to show y'all the full result. Stay tuned. I forgot my hair oil. Let me oil my hair this side before I even get to it. I'm using Rosemary Essential Hair and Skin Oil. If I can get some in here, it'd be pulling up them little seeds or whatever. Okay. Okay, let me go on around turn. do the front too. Okay, and I'm just do it for right now. So yeah, the oil, make sure you oil your hair before using it. Oh my God, hold on y'all, hold on. Okay, I'm gonna keep going with it, but oh my gosh, oh my God, my hair, I'm blowing out my hair. Like, I haven't done this so long. Make sure you guys oil your hair before you use it. No, just to be on the safe side. I mean, just oil your hair. But oh my gosh, just look at it. It's not curly no more. It's blown out. It's not like this. Come on now, y'all can see the difference. Y'all see the difference. I'm gonna keep going. Yeah, it's like, I'm shocked. I'm gonna add a little bit more oil in the back, just in case it didn't do what it do when I did it. Oh my gosh. I am shocked. Just, okay, hold on. Okay, I'm gonna do the back and then come back. I'm doing the back now. This is crazy. Y'all, hold on. Part 2, y'all. Part 2. When I say get y'all one of these, hair so long it going in my mouth. Okay, y'all make sure I get y'all one of these, the one-step hair dryer and styler. Y'all get y'all one. I got the pink one. I got the pink one. Make sure y'all get it. Make sure y'all get it. I'm gonna get this. I think I paid like $6.99, $5.99. Y'all, it's not even on. Look at me trying to blush, but it worked so good. Like I'm so shocked. My hair, it runs so good. Like I haven't had my hair blown out, blow dried out for years, and I'm so happy. Oh, so happy with the results. Let me turn around so y'all can see. I only did half of it just to show y'all like what it can come to. From my hair curly to blow dry. Like, look at my length. Like, come on. Like, this the back. They got my back so good. I can't even see my back. Hold on, let me look in the mirror just so I can see my back. Ooh, oh my God, y'all. It's definitely there. My hair is definitely there. It didn't take no hair out. Probably like a little few strands because, you know, when you blow dry and they're coming out, look here and there, strands gonna come out. But y'all, my hair, oh, it's so light. It's so fluffy. I don't have any tangles. It did what it's supposed to do. Yeah, it's not. I promise you, it's not expensive. Please go get y'all one. I don't know what kind of hair you got. Whatever hair you got, just try it. Because I was skeptical about getting this. I'm like, it don't work. It don't do the job with everybody's hair. So I'm like, hoping they do for mine. And honey, it did it. It did the job. It did the job. And when I tell you, when you put it on high, when you put the temperature on high, make sure you don't put your hands all the way up like I've been doing. I just trying to get the roots, you know what I'm saying? Just keep your hands down here at the bottom or past the little I don't know what it called. Keep your hands past this, below this. Don't ease your hand up because it can get hot and it can burn you, but not to, I don't know how many, like what degree, but it can burn you. But anyways, let me show y'all one more time. Hold on, I'm gonna turn it on. So if I turn back on high, so good. Alright, please get y'all one. This is it. I'm gonna come back to show the other side, but oh my goodness, y'all, please come get it. Get it. Get it. Get it. I promise you, your money, your little $10 or less will not go to waste. Please get it. Yes. This is what I'm talking about. I ain't have to use no extra comb. I ain't have to use no brush. I didn't have to use anything but put my oil on my scalp and run it through, baby. Yes. Woo. Okay, yeah, my length is there. It will definitely show you your true length. It's there. I cut my hair, cut my locks, so now it's growing, and I'm very, very excited about the growth. Hold on, you guys. It's there, like, oh my goodness. Let me put my ear. Hold on, put my hair behind my ear, because I can do that. My hair is so light and fluffy. I'm ready to do this side. So, yeah. Make sure y'all get it. Boy, it'll make your life, your hair routine so much easier if you're trying to blow it out or whatever. Yeah, do that. That's what I done just because it's hot outside. And then I don't want my hair, it just, just something simple for now. I'm trying to get my car fixed. So yeah, just a bun, 2 braids. I don't know if I should just cross these and do it like that, or what, or just have them hang down. But either way, it's still cute. It's something simple. This is the hairstyle with me with my hair blown out. I will make another video with my hair actually showing. But yeah, you can tell a difference. My hair is not curly. My hair is not, I don't have my afro no more. I actually could put it into a bun and braid it. So yeah, this is it. I don't know what I'm gonna do with these two.